have a 2¼ inch diameter pipe here wrapped with our wet blanket material. That's the white material you see on the left side. And it's reading right around 165, 180 degrees, thereabouts. Yet the temperature of the tailpipe over a foot away is 359, 360, 370. It kind of varies, but you can see the difference in the insulation. Again, coming back here, about 100 degree, over 100 degree temperature difference. Back here, here's the pipe, 387, 389, 391. Up here, even closer to the flame, 186, 185. So this 1/4 inch material will reduce the temperature considerably between the hot and cold faces. Now the foil covered cloth is another material to our right. That's just there to add protection from oil contamination and abrasion. That helps the material considerably. But just the bare material here we are, 187, 186. Back here, we're already up to 435. So you've got a temperature differential of 1/2 of what it is a foot down the pipe. So by putting this material on the pipe, you're keeping the heat in the pipe, and you want it to exit the tailpipe. That way you don't have it radiating out other places, like into the car body.